Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share this month's Fold It Club set with you. Now, before I even show you how amazingly awesome it is, I need to tell you that you cannot buy this on our website. Nope, it's only for Fold It Club members. So if you love this as much as I do, you're definitely going to want to check out the Fold It Club because it is beautiful. I just love it so much. So here it is. It's called the Wheelbarrow Fold It set. And let me just tell you, I filled this baby up. Look at all of the flowers you are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 big flowers, plus the shadow dies, plus the insides, and a couple leaves on there, and a little, oh my goodness. Okay, so much, so much. I'm going to show you tons of samples. Stay tuned. You also get a handy dandy postcard with a couple ideas, but rest assured, my loves, there are so many more ideas on our website. So go check out our website. Now, you also get, look at how gorgeous this is. First of all, I need to open this because, are you ready? Wait for it. It comes with 2 stencils. 2, not 1, 2. Now, one of them is this gorgeous flower pattern, and let me show you how fun that is. Isn't it beautiful? Also, on the bottoms now, we've changed it. So we've printed our name and logo at the bottom so you know which side is the correct way because look at this one. It layers on top of your wheelbarrow. Look how gorgeous that is. And the flowers. So now you'll be able to add those flowers on there. So pretty. We've also etched the stencil so you'll know exactly where you're supposed to place the stencil. So beautiful. Now, I would say about 75–80% of the people that are in our Fold It Club also get the add-on stamps. So the add-on stamps are only an extra $8 a month, and they kind of just really, in all honesty, tie everything together. Because as awesome and as amazing as this wheelbarrow is, if you don't have words for it, it just doesn't really kind of connect all together, right? So here we go. We have the words that go with it. And I love to do puns with these stamps. So it says, you make my heart really happy. Sunshine and smiles. You really make my day brighter. You are, you can say special. You are thoughtful. You are really special. You are really thoughtful. A little flower there. 2 little flowers there in 1 stamp, and a mini wheelbarrow for the back of your stamps and to decorate your envelopes. So this is only an additional $8. It ships with your Fold It Club. So if you have not added on the stamps, I think you're going to want to. Photopolymer stamp set, awesome, right? Now, let's jump in and look at all the amazing samples because Fold-Its are so versatile, right? So here we go. Look at how beautiful that one is. Look at the stencil in the background. I absolutely love that. Look at those fun flowers on the front. Now you can put it on an A2 size card front. You can make it a shaped card because it's A2 in size. Look how cute that is. I so love that. Look at that bee. I love it. You can also put it on a 5x7 card base if you want to, because of course it will fit great. Look how cute that is. Look at that fun stencil in the background, you guys. Isn't that just adorable? There's our new grass at the bottom. Or you can make a banner. Look at how fun this banner is. I'm getting really full into banners lately, but look at how cute that is with our little sign on there. So beautiful. Here's another one on a 5x7 card base. Love it. Here's another one on an A2 card size base. And here's another one on a 5x7. So this Fold It is perfect for a shaped card, for banners, for an A2 card base, for a 5x7 card base. And look at how gorgeous it is as a shaped card. I absolutely love it. Now, Fold It Club members, don't worry. Yours has, one of them has your name on it. Don't worry. But we do tend to sell out of these because, again, we don't sell them on our website. We do not reorder them. So if you're not in the Fold It Club, go to our website, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and watch that video. It's going to explain all of our clubs, all of our benefits, all of the reason that you want to be in one of our clubs, because let me tell you, they are amazing. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and watch that video. It explains everything. And then the hardest part is going to be which one to choose. Maybe just all of them. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.